And then we're going to scroll down a little bit more here to the institutional tracker section. And this is where you can keep tabs on what the big players in the market are doing with their money. For example, Berkshire Hathaway is the investment company of Warren Buffett. And for better or worse, when Warren Buffett makes a move in the market, it's going to impact the entire market. So if you click into that here, we can see an overview of Berkshire Hathaway. We can see that their current holdings market value is $280 billion. And we can see the industry breakdown of what Warren Buffett's holding company here is currently invested in. But more importantly, what most people are wondering about is the holdings change. What is the company buying and what are they selling? What's new? What did they exit completely? So for example, we can see that there's recently been an increase here in ownership of SiriusXM among Berkshire Hathaway, as well as Chubb and Domino's Pizza and a few others. And we can see the share change here to determine if this has been a big move or a small move. And in terms of the decrease, if we click on that, we can see positions that Berkshire Hathaway is lowering their stake in. So that would be VeriSign, Bank of America, Apple. That's kind of a surprising one here, but there's been a 41.79 million share change here of Apple. If you click on new, the only new position here is adding Google to the portfolio. That's rather interesting and sort of atypical here for Warren Buffett, as he's not normally known to be a heavy tech investor. And then the sold out section, we can see D.R. Horton, a large home builder, very interesting. They've completely exited that position. So this could be a very interesting way here to gather insights about what's going on in the market by looking at these big players and what they are doing with their massive investment portfolios.